Okay, so came home, got off the bus, found my cat trying to eat something. You'll never guess what it was. It was that bird. He didn't even eat the skin or anything. Right there, that birdie. Right there. Didn't even eat the skin. Just snapped his neck and his back and he died. And then he was finished with it. He didn't even try to do anything. Just besides snap its neck because he doesn't like eating the feathers. Yep. This kitty right here is a murderer. Killed that poor little bird. And I think he's pretty proud of it. Pretty sad. Yeah.